Hi Year 1, welcome to your Maths Home Learning video for Friday the 26th of March. We are not working in our maths booklet today, so don't worry about having that with you, but you will need something to write with. So I've got my whiteboard and pen here, so you could have yours, or you could have some paper and a pencil, or your exercise book. Just something to write with so you can join in with my video and complete your challenges. So let's have a little look at what we're learning about today. And we are looking at ordinal numbers like we did yesterday. So who remembers the horse race from yesterday? I know I do. Can you remember what colour won? It was blue. I chose purple, never mind. Okay, so I bet yesterday when I said we are learning about ordinal numbers, you thought, what are those? But we use ordinal numbers all of the time, so I'm sure you've already got a really good understanding of what they are. So we use them when talking to each other, when thinking about races like the horses yesterday. Somebody will come first, second, third. When we're lining up, I might say, oh, who'd like to be first in my line? Who'd like to be second and third? And so on. And we also use them for the date. So today it's Friday the 26th. So 26 is an ordinal number. Okay, it's the 26th of the month. Okay, so ordinal numbers are used every single day. So it's really important that we understand what they are. Okay, so yesterday we had a little look at how to write them down. So there I've got first. And the reason it's a 1, a s and a t is because the word first ends in a st sound. So it's 1 st, first. Okay. Second then, if you came second in a race, you would number 2. Okay, so we put 2 and then we put a n and a d because second ends in a nd sound, second. Okay, let's go through the others. Say the word to me. So we've got a first, we've got a second, next will be third, then fourth, then fifth. Okay, let's have a look at that in a number line then. So we did the number line earlier on in the week. So I'm sure you know when we're looking at the number line, if we are counting forwards, we start at the beginning. So we'll start at number 1 on the left-hand side. And we can jump, so first to second to, what will it be? Third. Well done. The next one would be fourth and fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. I hope you're counting with me. Ninth, 10th. Okay, so we've already worked out that missing star number is third. Can you write third down for me? So not the word, the ordinal number. So we know it's a number 3. Now, if it's third, what letters will come after it? So listen, third. Oh, well done if you've worked out. It's a R and a D. Let's check. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Make sure you've got your whiteboard and pen because I want you to figure out this next number. Let's see which one's covered up. Oh, can you work it out? Let's go to the beginning. If not, we've got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Oh, what number comes after 6? Oh, how do we say that as an ordinal number? Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Well done if you got that 7th. Now it's 7th. Oh, it's got that sound. Can you write that down for me? Let's check if you're right. 1, 2, 3. Show me. Well done if you got that. Okay. Now just having a little look at the number line, we can see that first as a S and a T. Okay, because in first, that's the last 2 letters. Second, as a N and a D, second, last 2 letters. Third, as a R and a D. But all of the others, if I get my pen and I'll show you, Luke, all of the others have a T and a H, a Th sound. Make that sound with me. Th, th. So 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. So we use our tongue when we make that sound. And 10th. So it's only the first, second and third that have different letters. All of the others have a T and a H. Okay? So if you're a bit unsure, keep practicing saying the ordinal number, so the first, and we can hear the sound that's st, second, and, third, third, and then the others are okay. So there's a bit of a pattern to it. Right, next one then. Can you work out which one is missing? I'm sure you can. I can spot first. What comes after first? First. Write it down for me. Okay, so I know after a number 1, it should be a number 2. So first then, second. Oh, second. And. What will those 2 letters be? Shall we see if you're right? 1, 2, 3. Show me. Well done, year 1. I'm sure you got that. Second. So it's a N and a D. Okay then. Now, as you know, we are all at home, isolating at the minute to keep everybody safe. And whilst at home, I've been having lots of snacks. I'm sure lots of you have as well. Not going outside is a little bit boring sometimes, isn't it? And it makes you want to have snacks and eat. So I've been eating lots and lots of donuts. Not very healthy. So I ate a chocolate donut first. Shall I show you? There's my chocolate donut. Can you write first on your board? And if you want, you can even draw my chocolate donut with it. So I'm going to draw my chocolate donut with sprinkles and write first. Can you do the same for me? And if you need a little bit of time, pause the video so you can do it. Are we ready? First. Oh, I wonder which flavour I chose out of that box next. Do you think it's going to be a blue one, a pink one, or a yellow one? Should we have a look? Let's see. I chose a vanilla one next. So, drawing my next donut. So, if the chocolate one was first, the vanilla one is going to be second. Well done if you knew that. Okay, I'm going to draw my sprinkles on and I'm going to write second. Now it's the number 2. It's the second one. So number 2 and then second. Ooh, what 2 letters will go next? Well done if you know. Second. Shall we see what my next flavour was? Oh, it was a custard donut. I do like custard donut, so draw my custard donut for me. Okay, now the chocolate was first, the vanilla was second, the custard is third, third. So we've got first, second, and third. Now the rest of them follow that pattern. So the first, second, and third all have different letters. The fourth has a sound. Fourth. Okay, so there's my next one, my fourth. I've chose a strawberry one next. Oh, my strawberry one's got stripes. I'm going to draw that. So it's number 4, and it's got a sound. 4. There's my 4. I wonder which one's next. I have been eating lots of donuts. What flavour do you think? Oh, another strawberry one. They are my favourites. Okay. So the next donut then, we've got the first, chocolate. We've got a second, third, fourth. The next one is the fifth. Well done if you knew that, the fifth. So number 5, and again it's got the th sound. Okay, and then the final one was a blueberry donut, and that will be, so we've had the 5th, so it will be the 6th. The 6th. Okay, so because we're not working in our books today, this is your task. So I thought it'd be fun if you did some drawing for me. So it's probably best to do this on some paper so you're not wasting your whiteboard pen. Okay, so using your paper and a pencil, you've got to draw these pictures in order. So at the top, I've put some boxes. So if you've got some plain paper, you could draw some boxes too, or ask your adult to draw some. But don't worry, you don't have to draw it like I have. You can just draw it in order, going from the top of the page to the bottom of the page. So we've got 6 things to draw today. So the 5th thing I'd like you to draw is a rainbow. So in your list of pictures, the number 5 will be a rainbow. The second thing I'd like you to draw is a smiley face. The first thing, so this is your very first thing to draw, is a boat. Your sixth thing to draw is a tower. Your third thing to draw is a sunshine. And your fourth thing to draw is a tree. So I'd like you to draw those in order using your ordinal numbers. And can you write those next to them? So your first thing to draw, will start you off, is a boat. So in your book, you will draw a boat. And next to it, you will write first, just like that. Okay, then you'll find the second. Okay, and you will draw the second thing that it says on my list. So you can pause the video now to do that task, and then we've got one more activity. Okay, for our next activity, and I'm going to say this one is optional, but I think it's lots of fun, so I'll be really, really impressed if you do it. So yesterday, in our booklet, we were looking at patterns, and we were looking at shape patterns. But we can have patterns with everything. So on screen, you can see some teddy bears. What type of pattern is it? Can you work that out? What type of pattern is it? Well done if you know it's a colour pattern. So that's the thing that's changing, and that's the thing that's repeating. So it goes red, green, red, green, red. Next one will be green. Okay. Underneath, we've got some fruit. It goes strawberry, banana, banana, strawberry, banana, banana, strawberry. What will come next? Banana, banana. Okay, so we can have repeating patterns with objects, with food, with toys, with shapes. We can have colours. sizes. It could be anything. We could make patterns using anything. So your task today is to create your very own pattern. So you might use your toys. You could have Barbie doll, crayon, Barbie doll, crayon. You could have Lego, Lego car, Lego, Lego car. You could maybe make a colour pattern. So you could get your colouring pencils or felt tips out. You could have red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. Or you could have pink, pink, purple, red, pink, pink, purple, red. So you're going to make your very own repeating pattern. Now, I haven't got any toys at my house, unfortunately. So I've used something that I found in my house. I've used pasta. So I'm going to show you the pattern I have made. So here I've got spiral, spiral, bow, spiral, spiral, bow. So I've made a repeating pattern with some pasta. So you can use anything you can find in your house to make a repeating pattern, and hopefully you have as much fun as I did making my pasta pattern. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you on Monday. Have a lovely weekend, year one.